Before we get into this, pause for a second and really think. Every new piece of tech is replacing an old system quietly. We share tools, apps, and ways you can accumulate on the front end and even gain ownership in these new digital systems if you choose. We've shown this on YouTube, Rumble, Patreon, and now mainly on X, but most people never looked until it's too late. This is awareness so you can think ahead and not react after.
Oh, hell no, they don't got Paco. They don't got Paco. Y'all don't know who Paco is? The orange cones on the side of the road? Man, they got cameras and AI in them bitches now. Oh, yeah, we gonna talk.
If you see a traffic barrel on the side of the highway, it might be watching you. The Associated Press just exposed a secret border patrol program that is monitoring millions of US drivers. They're hiding license plate readers inside of traffic safety equipment to track your movements without you knowing. Using AI to analyze your travel patterns, if the algorithm thinks your driving looks suspicious, like driving on back roads or making short trips, it flags you. Then they tell local police to pull you over. They call it a whisper stop. The cop will say it's for speeding or window tint, but they're actually hunting for intelligence. Former border patrol officials confirmed that the agency has tried to keep any mention of the surveillance program out of court documents and police reports, even going so far as proposing dropping charges rather than risk revealing any details about how the surveillance works.
Goddamn, Paco. Now you got cones every motherfucking way. Now you got that AI built in them joints. No wonder shit don't ever get fixed. Oh my God. How many of y'all know this? We already know the flocks. This is the thing. The flock cameras, y'all don't know what the flock cameras do, like a man say, man. They pick up and hit you. The cameras and AI that's got face recognition and it's letting you know you ain't been on the road. This car got this and it's letting you know it got goons in it now. Listen to me now. They know now if you riding with a gun in your shit, bro. Y'all better get hit, man. You know what I mean? It's out here. Our privacy is gone. If you like this, comment below. If you don't, fucking comment below. Because at the end of the day, we here now. Look, I'm about to put y'all on other game. Y'all comment below before I tell anybody. What else besides them damn cones got cameras on them? You see, y'all know the flocks. Like I said, the flock cameras is on every light pole. All right? We know now that the Paco cones, you know what I'm saying? They got it in it. What else? Man, get hit, bro. Your privacy is over. Everything, they know everything that you're doing from the internet. Everything's a paper trail now, bro. And you, like I say, you get the Hood News Radio where I put you on the game and how this shit go. And this is how it's going. So man, you should be falling for this. When you see cones, tighten up, nigga. Because it ain't the police who following you anymore, man. This cameras already know what you're doing. As soon as you hit the street, you're on your ass, man. Now we got self-driverless fucking semis. And this is the reason why they say they do all this stuff, to control all this FSD self-driving shit. At the end of the day, bro, your privacy is gone. Paper trail everything. It is what it is. You're hit. Y'all comment below. Hood News Radio. Yep.
Have you heard about this mass surveillance program? That is a flock safety camera. It's an artificial intelligence automatic license plate reader, and unlike others, flock cameras are connected to a nationwide database.
When you look at our Patreon, YouTube, Rumble, the pattern is clear. The system is changing fast, and awareness is the advantage most people don't use. We share tools on X that help you position yourself early, long before the masses. But it all comes down to one thing, you. So ask yourself, when this shift is fully in place, will you be positioned or playing catch up? If you need help with tokens or deeper guidance, our emails in the bios on YouTube, Rumble, and our other dozen linked channels. Stay aware, choose your position now.